Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix billing information on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to purchase any subscription or want to purchase any app on your iPhone and facing any issue related to billing, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings and guys click on your Apple ID. And guys, after this you need to click on payment and shipping, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you need to wait for its opening. So guys, when it's open, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, here you need to enter your passcode of your Apple ID. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, I have entered my password of my Apple ID. So guys, now you can see you will face this type of interface. So guys, simply you need to add your debit or credit card. So guys, if you have added already your debit or credit card, then guys you need to remove your old payment method and guys add your new payment method here. So guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys the second is you need to scroll it down, click on media and purchases, and guys click on view account. And guys after this you need to wait for its opening. So guys, after this simply you need to click on country or region. And guys after this you can see here the option of change country or region. So guys, simply you need to click on this, and guys from here you can select any country in which you have lived. So guys, for example, I am selecting United States. So guys, now you can see here. So simply you can select your country, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys after this you need to agree with terms and conditions of iPhone. So guys, here you can add your also debit or credit card, and guys here is option added, that is PayPal. So guys, you can add your PayPal here as well. And guys, if you do not want to add any payment method, then guys simply you need to click on none. So guys, you need to add your debit or credit card here to correct your billing information. And guys after this you need to enter number, CVV, and expiry date. And guys below you need to write your street address and city, state, zip code, and phone number as well. And guys after this you need to save your all the informations. And guys, after adding your new payment method, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.